Take a ride in the 2022 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Your new ride is just a phone call away.